So I want to just give you a tour of this COOLPIX right here. This L820 is by Nikon. I did purchase this myself, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like all around. It's got the telephoto zoom here, also on the top as well. It's got the shutter button here, power button here, big screen. All the controls are really well laid out. This is where you put your batteries right here. I'll show you right there. 4 AA's, and the SD card goes here as well. So that's how that goes. Easy snap in, snap out. Also has a connection that you can hook up to a tripod as well. And all around, it's just a beautiful looking camera. Let me show you all around here. Lens cap comes off. Here is the flash. The flash is a pop-up flash like you can see right here. Easy enough. And to activate it, all you have to do is hold down the power button. As you can see right there. And then you can see my hand. Oh, sorry, touching everything here. You can see my hand right here. And that's what my hand looks like. And you can see, and then you can zoom in and show you how the zoom just extends like that. And there it goes, just like that. So there's your zoom. You can go all the way back where you were. And then you can see you get the wide angle, the zoom, the whole 9 yards. So it's a nice quality camera. Hold it down, take a picture, bam, there's a photo, my hand, just like that. And to play it back, you just hit the play button. There it is right there. Delete, hit the delete button. Let's do all images in case anything else is on there. Select all and hit OK. And yes. And just delete all the photos. So it's just that simple. I take photos. To power it down, all you have to do is, again, hold down the power button. Goes back down just like you see here. I'm going to put a cap on it. And that's how we install the camera. And this is the front of it. Again, Nikon, really cool red. Does full HD video as well. It's a really cool little camera. Hook on the tripod, you can do some video, podcasting, video casting, whatever you want to do. It definitely has it all. Nice camera, nice quality, made out of plastic, but really cool. I mean, just a really cool look to it. I love the red. Really nice camera. So that's the tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching the review.